purpose for us is also to grow seedlings of these medicinal plants that they can be given to farmers.
Mbarara University of Science and Technology nemwe matendekero agarukutunga obushagiki okurwa mu government ya America okureba ngo bakore ebintu ebirukumara hebizubo mbyanga okutungura ebyo kuhangahangaho okurwanisa endwara hamwe no kuhereza obukuga beji. William W. Bob omujwekero wa America muri Uganda yabanza kurambura ahali bimwe abeji aba must barukora nabwanyuma nuko kugambaho nabebembezi bitendekereri hamwe nabeji.
Spinning around, always making that.
No, it doesn't spin. This one is stationary.
Okay.
So unlike the big.
We have achieved this, and I hope and believe that we will continue to do so through, for example, the United States National Institutes of Health. Yes, absolutely. We are committed to continuing to invest in high-impact research right here in Mbarara. Your faculty at this university and the researchers, those of you in this room and others that are not with us today, are clearly working on critical projects in public health and fighting infectious diseases.
William yagamba hanshonga yo kurwanisa akakoko ka sirimu mu Uganda.
The meetings and today here at the university, heard very clearly that HIV continues to be a challenge in this part of Uganda in particular. And so this is particularly salient that our work is going to continue to tackle that challenge through knowledge, through research, through getting treatments out to people as directly and as efficiently as possible, but also working for health solutions in other diseases as well.
Yagira ngo bahereze kuteka umukono ahandagano na Uganda okureba ngo biliyoni 2.3 umusente za dola nezo kwija zikahwera mu kutungura ebyamagara.
In terms of our resources, but again, the commitment of the Ugandan government and the commitment of Ugandan institutions that in terms of this investment. And in that large number that I mentioned of $2.3 billion is an investment of nearly $600 million of new public health investment by the government of Uganda. And that is a commitment of national ownership and shared responsibility, and it's a reflection of the value of the outcomes that has come through our partnership bilaterally over the years.
Professor Pauline Byachikachibwika omuhwezi wa mukuru w'itendekero lya MAST yagamba habuzibo bucuruho.
Pressing demographic challenges such as disease burden, drug resistance, climate variability, limited agricultural productivity, and public health threats, we are inspired by the solidarity of our American partners.
Yagamba ko mukago gwabona America guba ya mbere.
Infectious diseases, data science that have solved some of the most critical community challenges. We have built institutional and community capacity that allows us to compete and collaborate on the international stage. We have increased institutional visibility through our internationalization agenda and a cordial working relationship with the U.S. Embassy in Uganda. And I want to appreciate the staff from the U.S. Embassy. Thank you very much.
Yo project ezikurebaho harimunka twakwasa kurwanisa endwara ya sirimu kureba twakwasa kwiyaho orukoro rw'obuturaho ninga shoro bakweta TB hariho projects eziriyo zicondoza kureba tukatunga mbaziki iyo kubasa kwiyaho tuberculosis ninga TB.
Wanyuma yo kurga hitendekereri yabugana hababire bari abeji ahitendekereri ya MAST kandi abaganyirwa mu buhwezi okurga America.
Positive changes in the communities, and I hope staying in touch with each other. And obviously, we want to stay in touch with you. That's where, as we're in our the alumni.
Bamwa baganyirwe omunkoragana ya America na MAST batugambira obwahate barukora.
Washington Fellowship nkanya hano kana kagamba aho barukwereza ubukugu kandi bakakwishiza no kuza USA kumara yakire mu universities zitari zimwe na zimwe okuyagayo ubukugu obakafuta no mu company ndi zindi okakorayo okumara kire for instance cyo narabiremo kuya utine abine mu programs zindi zibarukweta nka Academy for Women Entrepreneurs ejenea erukusupportinga abakazi abakwisana bagira ekiba bakora mu business
yomwe omubanta ba participate in program ya US mission iba kweta Academy for Women Entrepreneurs ngadi mkohoti ya mkaga. So program ejo ne yamba bakazi bona bine business baba traininga dena muhiru isente zokukozesa. So nkanya yashamiremu ngafuna obwire bunakonekitingireho n'abandi nafuna obukugu obunkozese ku applyingisa na grants ezindi ezibisizeho bizinesi yange.
Aba ambassador bagira ngu enkwatanisa egi ahagati yaabo na gavumenti ya America nikiza kwongera amaani itendekere okurebeka ngu bakora ebintu ebigendereire kumaraho obuzibu omu byanga. Gasha kwa Adolf Ayoreka aha bwa TR West.
Jump in the air, 1, 2, 3, yeah!